Namaste, my dear friends. How are you all? I am Sri Guru. I welcome to Sri Guru Yoga and Healthy channel. And today we are going to learn an important and interesting topic, my dear friends. That is how to identify and diagnose the disease 6 months before itself. And what are the methods to treat and prevent the disease? True, my dear friends. If somebody cannot believe this, yes, we can easily identify the disease before 6 months they occur. And we can easily prevent, very easily. And let us go for this topic and how to know this. And before going to topic, if you are not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe and share this channel to your friends. And nowadays, in this generation, the diseases, pain and sufferings are getting common, very common. If anybody getting any disease and just they are ignoring or they are taking local treatment and years together, that too. And but one day the disease will get very serious, and then that patient will rush to hospital and doctors, and then the doctors will prescribe some tests, and then again they rush to diagnosing centers, and from with that reports again rush to the doctor, same doctor, because they don't know what is the report in the reports and what are the causes, what are the diseases, they don't know patients. So again the doctor will decide mild or moderate or severe some disease, and then according to that he give the treatment. So basically in the beginning they start with the medicines, but the patient sincerely, as doctor prescribed, sincerely they follow the treatment. The day 1 onwards, the time passes 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. And meanwhile, as he taking tablets and regularly, and the side effects also will get started. And the other new diseases also will get started. Again he rushes to the doctor, and the doctor prescribes one more tablets and more tablets. And along with the day 1 he just took 2 to 3 tablets, and after 1 year it will increase, after 5 years it will increase. I have seen such a patients, those who are taking 15 to 25 tablets per day. It is very bad, my dear friends. It is very not correct it. So that how to do and what are the methods to prevent all these sufferings? And after 10 years and 20 years and 30 years, then the patient will realize how many days I will take medicines and how many days I will suffer with this problem. And in my life, when I can cure and reverse my disease, the patient thinks like this. And then onwards, he will search for alternate. Is there any alternate for my problem to cure? And then he will ask friends and relatives and colleagues. So those who know about the solutions, they will give you. But the permanent solution is within us, because the problem is within us. So in meanwhile, the day 1 onwards, after 10 years, 20 years and 30 years, how much time you are spending, how much money you are spending, even though we are not getting cured. So that prevention is better than cure, my dear friends. Listen and remember always, prevention is better than cure. But if you identify, if you observe your body, we can easily identify which type of disease we may get in 6 months or 3 months. So that is why we can find out and we can identify the 4 symptoms in our body, which the symptoms lead to diseases and sufferings. And I am telling these 4 symptoms, my dear friends, please note down. Otherwise, after 10 days we'll forget, and after 1 month, okay, it's gone, and 6 months, again same problem we will get suffer. So that the 4 symptoms are, the first symptom is fatigue, tiredness, and second symptom is anger, third symptom is suffering, and fourth symptom is irritation. If you have any one of these symptoms, and or two or three or all four, you may get any this kind of problems. I will tell you briefly, and if which symptom if you have and which diseases you will get, I will tell you briefly. And the first symptom is fatigue, tiredness. If you are really getting tired every day, that means your body energy is not enough to your day-to-day life functions and job, so that it may affect on your muscles, nerves and brain, my dear friends. So you may get and this related problems. And the second one is anger. It is really danger, my dear friends. And if you're really getting anger every day, many times, or with any small situation, if you're getting anger, so that your liver, your kidney and your brain, heart will going to damage, will going to suffer. And this type of problems we may get in the future, those who are getting anger every time, every day. And the next one is, third symptom is suffering. Everyone will have a small or big sufferings in their life, but the problem is, if any suffering we will share with friends, children, parents and colleagues and relatives, everyone. When you are sharing to everyone your sufferings, the sufferings will get increased. And these sufferings will give you the mental disorders, mind related problems, psychic related problems. And the fourth one is irritation. Remember, my dear friends, and this is also very dangerous. So if you observe some people, they will always irritated, always. So that irritation will disturb your digestive system and nervous system disturb, my dear friends. Remember, if your digestive system and if your nervous system will getting disturbed, then the hormones, the endocrine system will get disturbed, my dear friends. If your endocrine, if your hormones will disturb, the total health is collapse, no doubt. We'll get hormonal imbalance and we'll get so many problems. And the most irritated persons, you can see, you can observe, they will get gas problem, indigestion, ulcers, digestive related problems as well as mind related problems. So this is the symptoms we have to identify every day. And where we should go, which diagnosing center these symptoms will identify? No, my dear friends, no diagnosing center can identify these four symptoms. We ourselves identify. So we can say there is no time to us. So then, okay, we have time to go to consult the doctors and taking treatments and surgeries. We have that much time. But if you spend only 5 minutes a day, we can prevent many problems and many diseases in our future. And that too, the 5 minutes are before going to sleep. It is very easy, my dear friends. And now I am going to telling you how to eradicate and eliminate these four symptoms in our life every day, my dear friends. And if you do this technique 21 days, you may get experience minimum 60 to 80% of the problems will get cured and reversed. And this method is how to prevent the disease and how to eradicate these symptoms every day. And there is again 3 steps, my dear friends. 3 steps. And before going to sleep, you just sit in Vajrasana. The first step is sit in Vajrasana on your bed. But if anybody not able to sit in Vajrasana, you can sit any comfortable posture, but your spine should be erect. Remember, my dear friends. This is the first step. And second step is you just deep breathe in, breathe out 10 times. Just 10 times. And then third step is, again 3 steps are there in third step. Tapping your head region in 3 areas with your 5 fingers. Touching your 5 fingers at the point, we have to tap in 3 areas. The first area is behind your brain, behind your head region. Behind. Here we have to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this. 20 times we have to tap. The first step. In third, first step. After 20 times tapping, and we have to do all these techniques with eyes closed only. And after tapping 20 times, we have to ask our mind, what are the causes to my these 4 symptoms or 2 symptoms or any one symptom? That is we explained before. So like tiredness, anger, suffering and irritation. If you have any 1 or 4, you can ask your mind after tapping. The back brain will give you the root cause and find out the root cause. Yes, you can find out very easily, my dear friends. So after find out the root cause, then go for second area tapping. Top of the brain, top of the head. Here you have to tap again 20 times. 20 times. After 20 times, ask your same mind, what are the solutions to my problems, to the root causes? Then this top of the head, on top of the brain will give you so many solutions, my dear friends, which is very easy to you. And these solutions will not useful for any others in this planet. Yes, those are only for you. And then you are identified the solutions also. Then how to implement? This is a major problem, my dear friends, in our life. So again you have to tap on your forehead region and between your eyebrows where the Ajna chakra is located. So you have to tap here for 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. If you tap 20 times, then your front brain will get stimulated. And then you can observe the very easy methods to implement. And if you do this technique, Vajrasana or any comfortable sitting posture and deep breathing and these 3 methods of tapping, those who are not getting sleep also will get excellent and deep sleep, my dear friends. Remember. And after, if you wake up next morning, you will feel very fresh. And you no need to change 100% in the next day, my dear friends. No. So you got the root causes and you got the solutions and you got how to implement. Then you just implement 10% only the next day, the first day. And the second day, again 10 more percent. And third day, 10 more percent. If you do like 5 days continuously, then 50% over, my dear friends. If you do 10 days regularly, if you implement 10%, 10%, 10%, 10 days, you will achieve 100%. But if you continue 21 days, your subconscious mind will get changed from sickness to wellness, from negative to positive. So that if you get habituated to this method, these steps to prevent all the, not only disease, my dear friends, even it can prevent all your sufferings in your life. So we have to make a habit to do every day before going to sleep. How much time? Only 5 minutes, my dear friends. Only 5 minutes. So remember, my dear friends, we can prevent any problem, any disease in our life because our mind has a tremendous energy to give you the pleasure and happy life. So it is ready to give, but we are not using and utilizing ourselves, my dear friends. We are just running away. But if you run internally, you will see the tremendous changes in your life. So I hope everyone will follow this step. At least you just see 21 days. After you can give me feedback in comment. So thank you very much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot. And sharing such a good things. And we'll meet you in the next video. One more interesting topic. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Namaste.